Hello YouTube, just going to quickly show you how the iron audio works on my X400i. You've got to have some discrimination on, so I've popped it into dual loop mode, so that gives you some iron discrimination. I've got two targets underneath the paper here, and obviously with the iron audio off you'll see that they both sound good. That's an 84. That's an 89. Okay, so now I'm going to pop the iron audio on, go over the targets again. Good target. You can hear that grunting after I've swung over the target. That would tell you that it's maybe a bottle cap, which is what that target is. So it saves you digging those targets by having that iron audio feature. It's very good. Okay, thanks for watching.